Right.
Woke up this morning, I was tying my tie. And I said, you know what? I'm gonna bring 10 ties to school with me. And they're gonna say, we don't wear no ties. No, you don't wear them yet.
Amir. Right.
Phil Berry works with young people at Normandy High School. He's not a school district employee. He's embedded here by the school district's partner, the nonprofit Beyond Housing. Sometimes he takes on big issues that students are facing, and sometimes this.
Excuse me, ladies. I'm gonna be doing a demonstration on how to tie a tie in a minute. One day, you might get married, want to tie your man's tie. Now, you can follow me if you want somebody want to follow me?
I just feel like I'm there to share my experiences and show them, open up the world to them.
Then tuck it in.
In the same hole that my thumb in?
Cross.
Just a little bit?
Yeah, right through there. Put that thumb up here. Where your thumb at?
It's so tricky.
Right. Yeah, she got to turn backwards though, see the label? Yeah. We call it dressing it up. You pull it up.
It wasn't easy growing up here in St. Louis, rough, tough city, no dad. Could easily went the other way, went down the wrong road. My youngest brother was shot and killed in Los Angeles. I made my mind was if I was to ever become a father, I was gonna be a good one. Second thing I made my mind was I want to get an education. I remember though being in class with guys who could care less about school and things. And so there was a balance I had to keep between not being beat up and bullied because I was a smart guy.
2 squares. Get this with 2 squares.
I was thinking the other day that my job at the school is to change the climate, change the conditions, and the culture at the school. One day, a fight about to break out between the guy I just played chess with, who gave me a great game, and somebody else. I said, man, you could be the best player in prison, man. They got chess players all over prison, good ones.
And then we go there.
Or you can be a grandmaster down at Central West End.
Why you put this over here?
It's up to you.
Now you brought your bishop down and you're attacking. If I'm not careful, you can attack that, but I can get you with that one.
This applies to life. I say, if you make one bad move on this chessboard, it could be the game. I said, same thing in life. If you make one bad move, it could be your life. It could change everything. And man, it's building a camaraderie between the students.
All right, good game. Set them up, set them up.
Guys come back each time in lunch period, forget all about eating, and come and sit down and ready to play.
When the queens come to that square and it's a double attack, or it's a double check, so that means you can't move down, you can't move right there, can't move right there, can't move right there. And it's a double check.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that was it.
Yeah.
This past October, the Normandy High School chess team competed against 14 other area high schools in the Ed Bauer Open and came away with a first-place trophy. For Living St. Louis, I'm Jim Kircher.